Hello everyone, thank you for joining me on Everything AeroPilates. We are on step 3 of our build. We put the wheels on, we took the carriage off, and the reason we did that is because this is the biggest carriage to date on a foldable machine, and it's just a lot of extra weight. And you see on its side, it would make the whole thing unsteady to have the carriage on. So I just took the carriage off. It's my easiest way to handle it. So you can leave it on or take it off depending on how strong and awkward, how strong you are, how awkward you think the machine is. The thing I need to check now is make sure this pin is out. It sometimes is put in here, and that means this is not going to open into a V, which is what we need to do next. So instead of sticking it on the side that keeps it closed, I stick it on the same side to get it out of the way. And now I'm ready to open this to a V. Again, with the carriage on, even this opening to the V is a little more awkward, and if you have a lot of help, it's, just have somebody help you. It's easier that way. But if you don't, get that carriage off and we'll put it back on later. So this part we're putting on the feet. You're going to have 4 little feet, and each foot is going to have a silver screw. For the feet and the silver screw, sometimes the screws are already in the feet when you get the machine. In this case, it's just been jumbled around too much. So the foot is not with the screw, and you just stick it back in. You put the screw through the bottom of the hole of the foot, push it in until it's showing through the top. And this is going to go screwed on right here. You have 4 holes on the bottom of this machine that you'll be able to see. I put the screw in the foot, and I'm hand tightening these. That's not going to be enough in the end. I'm going to have to go ahead and go in with a screwdriver. And this is the time, if you have your own screwdriver, it will probably go a little faster just because the handle's a little easier to control. But this is what I built every single machine that I've built before with this little tool that comes in the box. And I built 12 machines. I was just counting today. So it absolutely works. It'll get the job done. It just might be a little quicker if you use a real screwdriver. So I'm hand tightening. They're not going in very far, but they're in position, and now they're ready for me to screw them in. And just like any screw, this is a Phillips screwdriver on this. There's a Phillips screw in there. You really have to line it up. You're going to have to apply some pressure and get it in there. That one's done. You have a couple options when you're screwing in the feet. You can be on the outside like this. I kind of like this way, but if you want to see, you can actually get in the middle of the V. And I like this because I can put my body weight against it and get that screw in. Otherwise, you can be right here in the middle and just go from one side to the other side and get it done as well. Whichever way is most comfortable for you. Here I'm reaching over and I kind of have short arms, but I can totally manage it. So I'm doing this more so you could see, but also I do like how I can put my body pressure into it. And I'm going to do the other side. So I showed you in the V for this, and I have this last foot to do, and I'm just going to show you if I was in the V. I would just be in here, screwing on this last foot. You really have to make sure the screwdriver catches on the screw so that you're screwing it in and not just spinning for nothing. Okay, and they're all 4 screwed in. See you on the next step.